Let's make geometric tree place settings. For each place setting, you will need one sheet of plain A4 paper. Fold the paper widthways and have the folded edge across the top. Follow the measurements on the diagram or create a template. Next, use the template to transfer various points and mark with a pencil on your folded piece of paper. 2 of the points need measuring in from the edge. Then simply connect the lower points with a pencil line using a straight edge and cut the shape out with a pair of scissors. Next, place the piece face down with the fold at the bottom. Find the 2 points in this left-hand corner and create a fold. Turn over and create a second fold. Repeat this process, keeping a nice sharp point at the top for the geometric tree. The last fold is the back support. Give this a slight trim at the bottom at an angle just so the tree can stand up nicely. Now it's time to decorate the front of the tree. I'm using some nice metallic coloured pens. Sketch out each name for good positioning and write over with the gold pen. Next, use the green pen to highlight the geometric tree shape by drawing border lines around all the folds. Rub out any pencil marks as you go and continue to decorate. Draw some random stars with the silver pen. Draw some little circles with the blue pen. Finish the design by adding a few starburst patterns using the pink pen. The geometric tree place setting is now all complete. Create some more to make enough for everyone.